Hello everyone, la la la, la la la. I like to scare. Oh, hello everyone, it's good to see you again. My name is Toy Marty, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Now today, then the master will be doing his her let's play. So today we're going to be getting the last secret area in this location, I think. And then, get out of here, sand sharks! You're all gonna die. I love this game. Let's kill them all. I like to scare night guards too. Oh frick! Yeah. Don't worry. I'm gonna kill all these. Hey! I got played by 2 idiots. Oh, that dude was right on that YouTube video. La 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 la, I'm gonna kill you. I don't flippin' care. I'm gonna kill. I like my song. You already went that way. Oh, we might have a. Oh, frick. We might have a problem. Oh, we might have to go back to the other world and get the, Oh, yeah, okay. We're gonna have to go back to the other world and get the slingshot. Oh, let's see what I freaking did. Yeah, I have a crush on Shattered Burn Wall. That's good. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to the other area, which I don't know how we're gonna get back over there. I'm gonna. Yeah, slingshot. I knew that was gonna come in handy. But how do we skip? I'm trying everything to skip. Oh no, I guess we're gonna have to like. Oh. Wait, I have a taxi. Yep, we're back here again. I thought this was the last time you were gonna see of this place, but I guess not. Okay, I'm not talking that thing. Oh, we're gonna have to climb all this again. Oh. Oh, that's because we. Oh, we have to do this all over again. I'm just gonna hurry up actually, because. Oh, never mind the crazy. Oh, the tack. Oh, there it is. Never mind. I forgot we used this.
Sweet. I bet Captain Quark uses stuff like this all the time.
Real men can swing without silly toys like that.
Okay, that's it.
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron slingshot.
Actually, I'm just gonna fall off the building and die. Actually, no, everyone. Oh, I just didn't know that. Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to get back up there again. Oh, I hate that! Oh no, I'm Toy Marty. I really don't want to. Oh wait, oh no, never mind, we can just use this. Okay, we're just gonna go head back over to the secret area now. You probably already saw this in Toy Brummel's Let's Play. Now I'm the last toy animatronic completely in this pizzeria that's doing the Let's Play. Yeah, after we do the master, we're gonna stop, and then we're like going to like we're gonna like first we have to get back in the ship of course. Yeah, then after the master, we're gonna stop there. That took like more than about a minute. I don't think it took a minute off the video. We're back here again. Yeah, if we have to like backtrack, I will hate to have to do the levels over again. Okay, we're gonna have to go back this way.
You can use the right analog stick to control the camera.
I love this.
If you like, you can reverse your camera controls. Just select camera from the options menu.
Oh, okay, there they are. We have to turn around. Oh no! Oh! Oh, what is this thing? It looks awesome! Oh, what is that?
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the
Oh, it's one of
The
these.
lasers at the receptors on the outside ring to turn them green. All receptors must be green before the events are active.
Oh, we're gonna have to have like more of these. Okay, oh. Okay, think. I don't know how long we've been filming, but after we face up with a couple enemies that could die. La da da! I love to kill everyone in this game. Next level, we're gonna have to find a gadget here in order. Oh, let's watch this.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant! Yes, sir. You have fulfilled your tree quota. Barely. We are ready to return to base. Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have destroy everything.
This guy is like super duper evil. We're gonna fight a few of these guys. If we die, then we'll end the video. Or we could complete this level, because now we have a slingshot. Oh wait, first let's... I bet.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I really hate the reloading in this game. Bye. Oh, I don't have enough for that. New gadgets, I love them. You gotta love them. Oh, let's see what
I got some
exit.
great bargains.
Let's see what this baby can do. Let me kill one. Your axe is not... Oh wait, which way should we go first? Should we go this way? I feel like we should go this way. Wait, no, I'll let Master do that part. I'll let the Master do that. I know we're probably going to get an info bot. Oh, we have to go. Okay, that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe, it really helps us out. And we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye, everybody!